Gout. Ouch. I've never had it, but my dad used to get gout, and oh my gosh, and it was in his big toe. He couldn't even have a sheet on his toe. It hurt so bad. So that's a lot of times where it shows up is in the big toe. And so what is causing gout? Well, it's called something called uric acid, and it's caused by foods that are high in purine. And so a lot of those foods are very commonly eaten, which is like red meat and alcohol. So you combine let's say a very rich vacation, right? Where you're eating a lot and you're drinking a lot, your purine intake is going to be pretty high. So there are actually some foods that are higher in purine other than meat. So let me read this to you. Yeast, asparagus, peas, beans, and mushrooms. So if you're a person who has a tendency to get gout, you might want to pay attention by eating a lot of that. So red meat, pork, lamb, even venison, and too much can cause this uric acid to build up. Here's another one is aspirin. Oftentimes you're told by your doctor to take a small baby aspirin a day. Well, that also can increase the uric acid. So if you're a person who gets gout, you may want to ask yourself, am I taking a lot of aspirin? Okay. Sometimes we take aspirin to help with the gout pain, which would not be a good idea to do. Want to get recipe and tips directly to your inbox? Sign up at divinefarmerhealth.com.